Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and purchase tickets online for the Statue of Liberty and Ellis Island. So if you want to go ahead and purchase tickets to skip all the annoying queues and long wait times for the Statue of Liberty and the ferry from Manhattan, you can use this link in the description that you're going to see. Open up the first link down in the description of this video. It's going to take you to this official page right here on the official ticket platform from where we can get started. You can click the check availability option. This is going to enable you to take a look at all the available dates we have for purchasing those tickets. So you can go and select the date you want, let's say the 16th right here. Then it's going to enable you to choose a time slot which suits you the most. Let's say we select this time right here. Then it's going to scroll down and enable you to choose what kind of tickets you need, such as adult one, seniors, child, and so on. So let's say only one adult ticket for us. Click next to go to the next page where you can see similar experiences that if you're not interested in, you can just click no thanks, and then click next to go to the personal details page. Here we can get started filling out our personal info such as first name, last name, email address, phone number, and so on. So make sure to fill it out all correctly, because once done we can go to the payment page. So as you can see, we need to fill out everything right here, and once you provide your full name and everything needed for the info right here, click next, and it's going to open up the payment method menu, from where we can go and take a look at all the payment methods we can use for making the purchase. You're going to have Apple Pay, debit and credit card, or PayPal. Select which one ever suits you the most. Let's say debit card. Here it's going to open up this menu from where we can get started providing our card info, and once you provide the info you can click the pay button. Once you make the purchase successfully, your tickets are going to arrive on your email address that you have used for registering your account on this platform. So go ahead and open up the description of this video, open up the link, and get started purchasing your tickets today. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.